Well, hello and welcome to my channel. So this is the night before surgery, and we have made it over to the hotel. It's about a little after 7 o'clock at night. I have to be at the hospital, which is a few blocks away, at 6 a.m. So we're staying at the Marriott. We have an executive king suite, I guess you could say. It's not bad at all. So I'll show you around here real quick. I'm going to turn it around so you can see. Yeah. It's kind of dark in here, but when you come in from the door, it's got the bathroom, and it's got a living area, and then it has the bedroom here. Has a little fridge, microwave, and coffee. Not that I can have that in the morning, but yeah, we are on the first floor. I'm gonna turn you back. Yeah, we got here, and I'm gonna sit down here a second. We got here and they said, oh, we hate to tell you, but the elevator is not working. And I mean, my heart just kind of dropped for a second. And then she asked for my reservation, and she said, oh, we put you on the first floor. So thank you. Because I had already talked to the doctor's office, and they had to have a record of of where we were staying. So anyway, that's all good. I'm so far very, very impressed with this doctor and his whole staff, and how smooth and quickly this is done. And I mean, they have a concierge department in his office because they have people that travel here from all over. So they've done this a few times. So I'm kind of sweating. It was hot outside. It's going to be really hot tomorrow, but you know what? I'm not going to feel it. So yeah, so really quick, something I wanted to say, and you know, because I'm doing this and what I'm learning and things as I go along. Last night, our daughter came over and had dinner, as she always does on Sunday nights, and we were talking, and it kind of dawned on me, and I thought, you know what? I wish that I had planned to have a hydrating facial done today, the day before the surgery. Because I was like, that would have been so nice, because I know from years ago in past surgeries and everything, you know, surgeries and medications just take a toll on you. And the pain already has, and I can tell that. So, but it was too late. So that's a tip that I would do. I'm holding my arm up here, sorry. That's a tip that I would tell somebody to being prepared, is to go pamper yourself a little bit, get a hydrating facial before. So yeah, so what did I do last night? When I decided, or when I figured that out, I went and I got into a hot tub with Epsom salt, which always feels so good, and music and a glass of wine, and enjoyed that. And then I got out and did a pumpkin glycolic mask, and then after that was done, I did my derma rolling to go ahead and do that, because I do that every so often, and I thought I'd go ahead and get that done. And then I just did a lot of moisturizing. I think I did a sleeping mask, Laneige sleeping mask after that. And after a derma roll, I always put copper peptides on it. and then the sleeping mask. So that was my facial. So, but if I'd thought about it, I would have scheduled a hydrating facial before. I did go have a pedicure today and nails, and daughter went with me, and then we grabbed a little bite of some street tacos, which are little bitty tacos. We have a place by us, it's a little, neighborhood place called JJ's Taco Shop, and they're wonderful. And we had a little margarita, and but Patrick and I are here at the hotel, and so this is the night before. I've already, I've got a little, what is it? It's a little bottle, the little bottles of wine. I'm sipping on that, and he's gone to get him something to eat for dinner. I'm not really that hungry right now, so I'm just gonna, I've got some crackers over there if I need them. I'm a little, the anxiety's running a little bit high right now, but that's just normal, you know, to speak freely. It's just normal anxiety. I'm really ready to get it over with. So, but anyway, yeah, I brought a pillow for the ride home on the day after the day of surgery to help, because I'll be on pain meds to kind of probably sleep, because it'll be an hour drive at least on the way home. And that's after I go to the doctor's office in the that morning to get basically released. They'll change my bandage and give me my first injection of Lovenox. So that's where we're at right now. So I will probably do this vlog. I'll probably have several days on here before I upload it and everything. So this is the day before and the process. Oh, I went ahead and put fresh linens on the bed, so when I do arrive home, that's ready. I've got all kinds of groceries and stuff there for little things for me to eat that will, be easy to do. And everything's set up at home, so hopefully everything goes fine, and I will check back with you probably in the morning right before surgery. So I'll see you then. Good morning. It is showtime. Day of the surgery. Let me show you my arm. So I've already got the IV. I can do this one-handed here. There's Patrick. He's here with me. All right, I am, they haven't started the pain meds yet, or the anesthesia or whatever, the cocktail that they put in the IV. Waiting for Dr. Christopher Reddy to come and initial my right hip. And then I'm first in line. So this morning, they said he is extremely, extremely punctual. So we'll get started on time. So I will see you on the other side. Well, good morning. This is Thursday morning, so this is post-op day 2. I didn't do anything yesterday. Yesterday was just one of those days we got up from the hotel and went to the doctor's office. I had to be there 8:30 in the morning, so they changed my bandage, the big bandage that they put on me in surgery, because whenever they do the arthroscopic surgery, they use a lot of water fluid in there, and so it's so they can get in there and see what they're doing and everything. So there's a lot of fluid that has to come back out. So, which is something that it's a hint, because this is what happened. We were staying in the hotel, and when I got up in the middle of the night, I could tell that the bandage had been leaking, and it wasn't blood, but it was bloody water left over from the surgery and everything. And so I had to put towels down on the bed because it had already got on the sheets. So if I'd known that, I would have taken some of those surgery pads that I think that you can buy probably off of Amazon or something to put down on the bed to kind of protect. I know they do that in the hospitals, but we were in the hotel, and so that's a hint right there that I didn't know about. So, but so we went to the hospital, or no, excuse me, we went to the doctor's office, and they took the bandage off, and they said it all looked good. I do know that after I came out of recovery, because of what they said that they did, I did not have to be only 20 pounds weight bearing. I could be completely weight bearing. So, and what they explained that they did was that on the ball socket on the side of the hip, if I can do that right there, say this is the hip part, the trochanter, where it's more like this, where the tendons come down to and attach, they were over like this instead of where they should have been, and that they were very finely shredded. So they tacked all of that down. But then also what was going on deep in here was the bursa sac, which is what, from bursitis, the sac fills up with inflammation and fluid and stuff, and that's where they had given me the 2 injections over the past year. That was in very bad shape, so you don't need them. So they took it out, and that was very good. And they said that they could tell that this had been here quite a while, and I had been dealing with this for quite a while, a year and a half basically, and they could tell by the condition of it. So they don't need that anymore. So they took that out, and I have 3 little incisions. So they changed the bandage on that, and then sent us on the way. And so I go back in 2 weeks for my checkup. So yesterday afternoon, so Patrick had to go to work, so the daughter came over to help me, and she did the Lovenox injection into my abdomen for me, and made sure I took my pain medicines and fixed me a little bit of something to eat. So yesterday was a really good day. I spent the day, I took my pain meds every 4 hours. So he had said that if I follow the protocol and everything, that I would be, that it's proven to get off the pain meds a lot quicker. And today, so this is day 2 post-op, and I haven't taken any pain meds. I've taken Tylenol, which I could introduce Tylenol, they said, in with it or by itself as needed. So I took 2 Tylenol this morning when I got up, and I had pain meds. I set my alarm through last night. I think the last one I took was 3 this morning. So, and I'm filming this, and it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday, so I'm doing really good. It's a fine combination of moving enough and not moving enough. So I'm trying to just keep moving, and ice every hour. So that is helping as well with it. So the daughter came over this morning after I took my shower, and it was a waterproof bandages that I'm using, so I could leave that on, and then she changed my bandages for me and put new ones on. And I'm going to step back so you can see my hip brace and what I'm wearing. And so let me get back here. I've got my walker here. I don't know if you can see it or not. I'll see if I can get back here. So here's the waist part of it. It is fit back around like this. It's hard plastic. So what I figured out really quick is the plastic, the hard backing goes better on top of a shirt as opposed to underneath it. So, but let me see if I can move this back here to kind of show you. I can stand back here. So here is the brace. It just goes around here. Now this is fitted. And I'm going to see if I can show you just the incisions real here so you can kind of see. Let me see. It comes off the leg, and this is how you get to your, if you got to go to the bathroom, this is what you do. You can take it off like this, okay? And because this moves up. I'm not restricted on it, but here are the bandages. One is covering one, and one is covering two little incisions. So this goes back down, and what to do too for icing, when I'm sitting down, I can just undo this and pull this up, and I have big, huge ice pads that I can put right here in a towel, like a kitchen towel, and set that on there. And of course, I'm just sitting down, so when I'm icing. So for this, I'm just going to put it back down, and then I just bring it back around and snap. So this is my brace, and this is my walker. So I'm going to come back around here for a second. So, yeah, I can scoot over here. All right, so like I said, I've already taken a shower, and she's changed my bandage, and I did a mask again. I used that, I'll show you. I'm absolutely loving these, and my daughter and I, we just ordered some more. That Slow Brew Botanical Clay Mask. These are just so nourishing. And so yeah, so I did that again this morning, so my face feels nice and hydrated. So don't need to put any makeup on right now. So yeah, so I had a piece of toast for breakfast this morning, and gonna have a little bit of probably a little bit of egg salad and some crackers for lunch. And I had soup last night, and that's probably, chicken noodle soup's probably what I'll have again tonight. So, and just drinking my water and trying to stay hydrated. Taking Tylenol for pain today, unless I really feel it, and then I'll take one of my pain pills, but they're codeine, and I don't like them, so I'm just only going to take them as long as I need to. So, but I do have to take the naproxen, which makes your stomach upset. But I do have another prescription that is for nausea, if that gets there. But I haven't had any nausea since the night of the surgery. So far so good. So, all right. So this is just a little video of just what I've been through up to this point. So I hope it is. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them down below, and then I will vlog in the next couple of days and kind of let you know how I'm doing. And I've got some other videos to put up as well too. So I'm just trying not to push myself, just take it and rest and do what I'm supposed to do, and then I'm going to be back at it in no time. So all right, ladies, remember what I tell you. I tell you every single day to get up and show up, because you're worth it. So until I see you in my next video, which will be in a couple of days, or actually I've got one going up tomorrow, and I'll see if I can get this one up today, and I will see you later.